celebrating somebody's death, you're also celebrating your own. Because death is a debt that all of us are going. Whether you are poor or you are rich, whether you are old or young, you are definitely going to pay for it. But when and how you are going to pay is what you don't know. So I thank His Royal Highness from what I understood here, that this epoch-making event was initiated by His Royal Highness himself. And the coordinator and others, I want to thank you, sir. For the way, there was a day I was on duty with my uniform in Onwa's house on a Christmas day. Onwa was sharing money to people, was sharing clothes to women, and we were there maintaining peace to make sure there was no fight. At the stage, Onwa said he's tired, he wants to go and rest. He gave instructions to us that he don't want to see anybody again. So he planned up. Not up to 10 minutes, he's one of his relations. I don't know whether he's here. Akunia Mota came and said, "Where is Onwa?" We told him, "Please, sir, Onwa don't want to see anybody now." So he said, "I don't want to see anybody." I said, "Yes." Akunia went to Mero there and brought more spirit. So when he came, he said, "Akunia, why are you bringing more spirit here?" He said, "You could say don't want to say any more again. He has to see this mosque." You know? So Ogba now, through his window, he had the noise of that mosque because he was ringing bell. He came out. He asked him, "Where are you going with you?" He said, "Since you don't want to see Umami, see mosque, all the money that belongs to Ogidi, you have it. And you say you are tired. Why are you tired?" So that is the line of, I can't forget that day. I can't forget it because the man is really good. So I want to thank the Ogidi people, and as I said earlier, tomorrow I didn't just come alone. I'm coming with a good number of people from Ebonyi State, numbering more than 70 persons. And there's something we need to, there's something we show that a good personality has left us. So tomorrow, you come and watch us.